हम दो दोस्त हैं और हम वहाँ पर एक पिज़्ज़ा लेते हैं। एक पिज़्ज़ा लेके डेफिनेटली हम दो लोग हैं, तो हम आपस में वो तकसीम करते हैं। यानी तकसीम करने का मतलब ये कि हम उसको हाफ हाफ कर लेते हैं। अब उस हाफ को हम किस तरह से लेके जाते हैं, या ये हाफ जो है वो किस तरह का एक्सप्रेशन होता है, ये एक्सप्रेशन कहलाता है फ्रैक्शन। और इसमें हम बात करते हैं टोटल इक्वल, हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं पार्ट्स में किसी एक चीज़ को या एक यूनिट को, और उसमें से किसी एक के लिए बात करते हैं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कि जब हमने पिज़्ज़ा को दो हिस्सों में तकसीम किया, तो इसका मतलब है कि हमने हाफ़ हाफ़ कर लिया है। 1/2 का मतलब होता है हाफ़, यानी कि हमने टोटल एक पिज़्ज़ा में से दो पार्ट किए और दो में से एक के लिए हम बात कर रहे हैं। यानी कि अगर हम शो करना चाह रहे हैं कि टोटल मेरे हिस्से में कितना है, तो मैं 1/2 लिखूँगा। इसी तरीके से दूसरे दोस्त को भी 1/2 जाएगा। तो इसी के लिहाज से हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं इस डेफिनेशन को कि ए नंबर दैट एक्सप्रेसेस द रिलेशनशिप वन और मोर इक्वल पार्ट्स टू द टोटल नंबर ऑफ इक्वल पार्ट। जैसा कि यहाँ वन पार्ट है आउट ऑफ टू, इधर आउट ऑफ फोर वन पार्ट की हम बात करें, और आउट यहाँ पर इस एक्सप्रेशन में हम देखें, इस करेक्शन में हम देखें, तो हम चार इक्वल पार्ट्स में से तीन की हम बात कर रहे हैं। यानी कि अगर हमारे आम जिंदगी क्लिनिकल लाइफ में अगर हम देखें, तो बाद का लिखा होता है, टैबलेट के लिए लिखा होता है कि भाई 3/4 प्लस 3/4 प्लस 3/4, तो हमें इसका मतलब ये हो गया है कि उस क्लाइंट को हमें 3 मरतबा ये दवा देनी है, ये टैबलेट देनी है, लेकिन वो किस तरह से देनी है। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर 3/4 लिखा हुआ है, तो हम एक टैबलेट के चार इक्वल पार्ट्स करेंगे, जैसा कि यहाँ पे आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं। इन चार इक्वल पार्ट्स में से इसको हमें 3 देने हैं। तो यहाँ पर जो टोटल नंबर है हमारे पास इक्वल पार्ट, वो है 4, और 4 में से हम जो है वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 1 पार्ट, इक्वल पार्ट। दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन। द कॉमन फ्रैक्शन कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू न्यूमरल्स. There are two numerals, this number 3 or 4, or we can say that 2/2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2. These are numerals, and this is written one above the other, separated by fraction bar. This or this type of line is called fraction bar. Meaning of common fraction. A common fraction is part of whole number. The fraction 2/3 2/3, it is read as 2/3, means that 2 out of 3 equal parts of one whole are being considered. यानी कोई एक यूनिट है, कोई एक चीज़ है जिसके हमने 3 इक्वल हिस्से किए हैं, और उनमें से हम 2 की बात कर रहे हैं। जब हम 2 की बात करेंगे, तो इसका मतलब है कि हम इसे लिखेंगे 2/3, या वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 2 आउट ऑफ 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स. In this way we can say that the part of a whole number. Secondly, one number divided by the another. For example, 2/3 we are writing is 2/3. Read from top to bottom means 2 divided by 3, or 2 divided by 3, or 2 divided by 3. Thirdly, meaning of fraction is that it is a product of multiplication. Product means हासिल ज़रब, यानी जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं दो नंबर्स को, उसका जो आंसर आता है उसे हम प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं मैथमेटिक्स में. फ्रैक्शन 2/3 मीन्स दैट देयर आर 2 ऑफ दी थर्ड्स. थर्ड्स का मतलब है 1/3, तो 2 यानी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 1/3 को, तो हमारे पास आंसर आता है 2/3. इट्स मीन इट इज़ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Examples of fractions. Example, while unit, and in this we will talk about one group. This one square is divided into shaded and unshaded part. How we can read it or express this in the words? Here 3/4 of the square is shaded. One unit is divided into 4 equal parts, and 3 parts are shaded, so we will write 3/4 shaded part of this square. Similarly, how many parts are unshaded? One part is unshaded, so we will write 1/4 of the square is unshaded. And what is whole square? 4/4 is a one whole square. Similarly, example 2, while group, there is a group of 5 equal squares in which 3 are shaded and 2 are unshaded. How we will write it? We will write here it 3/5 group is shaded. 3 out of total 5 is shaded. यानी कि 5 जो इसके ग्रुप के जो हमने हिस्से हैं इसमें से 3 शेडेड हैं, एंड 2 of group is unshaded, and 5/5 is one whole group. 5/5 is this one whole group. Example of fractions. Again here this one is whole, while 1/2 means one square has 2 equal parts, one is shaded, one is unshaded. But in this 1/4 means 1/4 part is shaded, and here 3/4 yani 3 parts are shaded out of 4. This is all about the fraction and its example. Denominator, numerator and fraction bar. The concept of writing this fraction: a common fraction has denominator, numerator and fraction bar. The denominator and numerator are called the terms of the fraction or numerals, while the fraction bar represent the operation of the division. In this you can see that 3, which is numerator, means the value or numeral which is above the fraction bar is called numerator, while the below part or lower part of this fraction bar is called denominator. For remembering this, which is numerator or which is denominator, because after some days we forget the thing or we confuse that what is numerator or which is denominator. It is very easy. D for down, D for denominator. एक अगर याद रख लेते हैं तो दूसरा आपको याद रहेगा, ठीक है. यानी कि D for denominator, D for down, यानी डाउन वाला नंबर या नीचे जो नंबर दिया गया है वो डिनोमिनेटर होगा, और वो लाइन जो कि इससे इन दोनों के दरमियान में लगाई जाती है, दैट इज़ फ्रैक्शन बार. इन दिस अबव 1 is numerator, this 5 is numerator, while 2 is denominator and 8 is denominator. I hope it will be clear. If you have any question, please note it and we will discuss it about in the last. Denominator. Now we talk about the denominator. What is the meaning of this denominator? Denominator tells the total number of equal parts in one whole, the size of each part in one whole. डिनोमिनेटर हमें ये बताता है कि एक जो होल है, वन होल है, उसमें एक साइज़ के कितने पार्ट्स, यानी कि वो वन होल कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, ठीक है. इन फ्रैक्शन 2/3 मीन्स के दिस 3 is here denominator. A denominator means equal, 3 equal, there are 3 equal parts in one whole. The size of each part is 1/3. हर पार्ट का जो साइज़ है वो 1/3 है. अगर इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 2/3, इट्स मीन के वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 2 equal parts out of 3. Similarly, if the denominator is 1, it means that one whole has one equal part and that part has the size of one whole. Then 2/1 is read as 2 whole. 2/1 means there is only one, so it means के there are 2 whole. The denominator of fraction cannot be 0. Denominator कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता, because it is impossible for 0 part to make one whole. 0 part, 0 means nothing. तो कोई अगर कोई चीज़ है ही नहीं तो वो एक होल पार्ट भी नहीं बनाएगा. So denominator of fraction cannot be 0, and it is impossible to divide by 0. Similarly, when we use this operation in the calculator, and if you will divide 3 divided by 2 divided by 0, you will find it infinity answer or error. It will show error because denominator cannot be 0. Another expression of numerator and fraction bar, or terms of fraction, numerator and fraction bar. Numerator, a number up above the fraction bar, gives an important piece of information. What is that? The numerator tells the number of equal parts being used or talked about or considered. How many parts we are considering? This is shown by numerator. In this fraction 2 upon 3 means the numerator 2 means 2 equal parts are being talked, means we are talking about the 2 parts out of total 3 equal parts. In our clinical life, if we consider, if they are written for any tablet 2 upon 3, it means we divide the tablet, that one tablet, into 3 parts, and we will give the client 2 parts out of 3 in one time. Now fraction bar, in mathematics the symbol divided by means divided by read as fraction from top to bottom when reading as an expression of division. Fraction bar means divided by. For example, 7 upon 8 is equal to 7 divided by 8, or 7 divided by 8, or 7 divided by 8. Now the types of fraction. The following are some types of fractions. Number 1, proper fraction. A proper fraction is where the numerator is less than denominator. Not that the proper fraction is always less than 1. When number 1, 1 upon 2, 5 upon 8, 13 upon 20, when you can see that 1 is less than 2, 5 is less than 8, and 13 less than 21. Such type of fraction are called proper fraction, and these are always less than 1. If you divide 1 by 2, it means 0.5. 0.5 is less than 1. Similarly, here if you will divide it, it will also less than 1, and this will also be less than 1. So we can say that proper fraction is always less than 1. Now improper fraction, it is reverse to the proper fraction, where numerator are greater than that of denominator. An improper fraction is one where the numerator is greater than denominator. Not that an improper fraction is always greater than 1. For example, 3 divided by 2, we get 1.5. ये 3 का आधा डेढ़ होता है, और यानी कि 1.5, तो 1.5 is more than 1. So we can say that an improper fraction is always greater than 1. Note, every natural number can be written as fraction in which 1 is its denominator. For example, 2 means 2 upon 1, 25 means 25 upon 1, 53 is equal to 53 upon 1. Any fraction can be written as this. So every natural number is an improper fraction. Improper fraction इसलिए है कि this is more than 1. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has both a whole number part and a fractional part, or a combination of a fraction and a whole number is called mixed fraction. Here you can see that 1 whole 1 upon 2. This is read as 1 whole 1 upon 2, or 3 whole 3 upon 4, or 2 whole 1 upon 4. It means the mixed fraction has two things: one whole and one fractional part. In fact, 2 whole 1 upon 4 means 2 plus 1 upon 4. Reciprocals. Reciprocal fraction are the reverse of any fraction. For example, here 1 upon 4, the 4 upon 1 is its reverse, or 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. When we multiply these, answer is always 1. Definition of reciprocal, that when two fractions are multiplied and answer is 0, it is reciprocal. or we can say that reciprocal is the reverse of the one fraction. Consider the following: 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, 5 into 1 is equal to 5, or 10 divided by 2 or 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. What does it mean? Each expression is equal to 5. Such things called equivalent, where look is different but values are same. Look is different, look is different, look is different, but the answer is same, or meaning is, or value is same. Such thing is called equivalent. So next type of fraction is equivalent fraction. Fraction which have the same value but look different are called equivalent or equal fractions. The written form of the fraction change, but the value of the fraction remains the same. For example, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8, 8 upon 16 are equivalent fraction. As you can see that 2 upon 4 means 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4, 1 upon 2 आंसर आएगा, 4 on the 4, 4 to the 8, 1 upon 2 आंसर आएगा, 8 on the 8, 8 to the 16, 1 upon 2 आंसर आएगा. The answer is same but look is different. So these type of fractions are called equivalent fraction.